Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Explore Medicine with Sat. Today we will see the code of Gandhi Ji 3 Monkeys project. So let's get started. First, for opening Scratch, we have to open Google Chrome, then type here scratch.edu.com, then open this, click on create. It is creating a project. It has created. Now let's choose the sprites. Our first sprite will be Gandhiji's. So type here Gandhiji animated picture. Okay. Enter this one, select it, right click here, click on save image as, save it. Now open new tab, type there removebg.com, then open it. Then upload that image here from the downloads or wherever you have saved it. Here it has removed the background. Now click on download. After that, now let's choose our second sprite. Type here 3 monkeys of Gandhiji. Go to images. From there you can take any one which you like. I am taking this. Right click here, click on save image as, save it, close it. Now type here removebg.com, then open the removebg site, and then click on upload image, then select wherever you have downloaded that picture. Now click on open. It has removed the background. Now click on download. Now close this. Now go to the downloads. From here open this removebg one, click on crop. Okay, put it here custom. Now I will put these 3. Now click on save. Like that, crop all of them and save. Okay, after that I will show you the code. Now let's choose the backdrops. Click on choose a backdrop, take bench width, and the second backdrop is, type here wall, and that could be wall 1. Now let's upload the sprites. Take your mouse pointer here, and click on upload sprite, then upload that sprite. First we will upload Gandhiji sprite, then upload the 3 monkeys wherever you have saved that, these are the three monkeys. Click on open, it will come. I have selected 3 at a time, so it came 3 once only. Now I'm hiding these first. Now let's see the code. Let's start the coding part. Now let's start the coding part. Now go click here on background, means on stage. Now click here on backgrounds, select this part, copy it and paste it and put it here. Okay, I have already done it. After that, go to code. Now put Mahatma Gandhi ji here. Here Gandhi ji will be here and the 3 monkeys will be here. Okay, now let's start the coding part. First go to events, take when the green flag is clicked block. After that go to looks, take switch backdrop to bench with view. Now go to events, take when I receive type any message. I'm renaming it as message. I'm renaming it as message 11. Okay, when I receive message 11, go to looks, switch backdrop to oh, where's the third backdrop? Switch backdrop to wall 1. Okay, now let's check it. Yeah, okay. Now go to Gandhi's page here, Gandhi's sprite. Now let's code that here. Take when the green flag is clicked, take this block and type here today I will show you my 3 monkeys. Okay, write that. Okay, yeah, here I have typed. After that, okay, duplicate this, right click here, click on duplicate and type here first monkey and then go to events and take broadcast message 11. After now go to looks, take your hide button, hide block, and now let's go to second sprite. Now go to events when the green flag is selected. Yeah, I have put it here. When the green flag is selected, hide and when go to events, take when I receive message 11, then show. Okay, and go to sound, take this one, record, see the monkey. It is saying that okay, no, it's so bad. I have told in Hindi. I have recorded that. Okay. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. See, I've recorded that. Click here, click on record, and you can record it and play. Now I will show you. Click on record anything which you want. Now click on stop recording, crop the sound which you don't want, and click on save. Okay, and now go to code. Is that recording, or you can rename that recording from here. Okay, after that go to events, take broadcast message, create a new message. I have created a message. I have renamed it as monkey message, and now go to the Gandhi sprite, and when I receive monkey message, go to looks, tick show button, first one put it here, and second one and another one put it here. Okay, now go to monkey sprite, this one, and now go to looks and take hide. Now when I receive this, show, and we have to do the same thing here. Just duplicate it, put it here, just remove this block, type here second monkey, okay. Now go to events, take broadcast message, type, create a new message and renaming it as 1, click on OK. Okay, after that go to second sprite. Now let's start the code of second sprite. Here also the same thing. This code is only being repeated here also. And the green flag is clicked, hide, go to control. When I receive one, go to looks, tick show, and go to recording and take this recording. I told you हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं देखना चाहिए. This is our second sprite. I'll put it here. Okay, I have recorded this one also, so put it here, and after that the same code will be repeated here also. Broadcast new message, you have to create again a new message and renaming it as 7, click on OK and duplicate it. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं दे. Okay. Now you take hide block. Okay, now go to events, take when I receive 7, then duplicate this third monkey, so type here third, monkey. Okay, and now again create a new message. I'm renaming it as monkey 1 and click on OK. Then go to the third sprite. Wait, and put it here. Now type here the green flag is filled. Go to looks, took height and show block. Then go to put it here. Now go to events and I receive monkey 1, then show and play recording 1. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं सुनना चाहिए. Okay, and after that go to events, take broadcast. Now here from here create a new message. I'm renaming it as 97. You can rename it anything. Now go to looks, or you can duplicate from here. Take hide block. After that no, don't take hide block. After that 3 of them. Okay, delete it. Okay, and after that go to events, take when I receive this monkey, what did I rename? Yeah, monkey 7, I think. Yeah, monkey 7. When I receive monkey 7, duplicate it, put it here. Now type here these 4 1 3 monkeys. Okay, and we have done the coding part. Now it's time for testing a project. So let's test our project. So now let's test a project. Yeah. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं देखना चाहिए. हमें कभी भी बुरा नहीं सुनना चाहिए. These are the good habits too. So that's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Bye bye.